Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how I wrap albums. I sold an album on eBay, and I know a lot of people are a little afraid of selling fragile items. I understand that. I was also afraid, but sometimes you just got to take the leap, you know. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's not very hard. You just got to take a chance and if it breaks, it breaks. You have to deal with it. But I've sold, I want to say, at least a dozen albums or more on eBay, and some of them were over $100. So, it's worth the risk for me to sell them. So here we go. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's not hard at all. You just have to have the proper tools, and that's what I'm going to show you. Okay, here we go. So, I got the album, and I'm taking it out of the sleeve. And then, I'm going to put them together. Put some cardboard on top. Now, cardboard. Let's talk about cardboard. You don't want the thin cardboard like from a cereal box. That is not going to do. And, it doesn't matter if it doesn't cover all the way to the album. Ideally, you want it close, so that you can wrap it up good. But like this is cutting it close. This is a little flimsy. This piece here, however, that is a good solid piece of cardboard. So, save. I have some good friends who save their scrapbooking cardboard for me, and you can find cardboard anywhere. You can use this kind of stuff. It doesn't have to be this kind. But okay, so now I put them together. Put the cardboard on the outside. Now, ideally, it would be great if it was covering past the album, but that's okay. Now, I use these plastic bags because you want to make sure that they don't get damaged from water, because we all know that, maybe it doesn't exactly go where it's supposed to when it gets delivered, and if it gets wet, it's going to be ruined. So, what I do is I get these bags from the Dollar Tree. There's 5 bags in them. They're the jumbo size, 2.5 gallon. And $1 for 5. That's fantastic for me. And what I do is I cut off the top part, because I don't want this to interfere with the wrapping and cause some kind of issue on my album. So I just cut it off right there, and I put everything in the bag like so. And I tape it up. Got my tape dispenser right here. I'm going to fold this corner over. I just use regular Scotch tape for this. You don't have to use the heavy duty. Okay, so we're good. One more piece right here. Okay, now, after that, I wrap it in bubble wrap. Now, I'm not too crazy about this bubble wrap. I got it at Walmart at a very cheap price, and now I see why, because it's pretty light. But this will be fine for this, because it's going to be in cardboard after that anyway. So then I already measured this, so I know it's going to fit. Just tape it up. You got to make sure, let's see, let's get all the bubbles out, all the air out, I should say, so it's not all elevated. We don't want a big bubble in there. Just want it to be flat. Okay. Got our bubble wrap. I pre-measured this just for the video. And then tape here, fold it over. And I know it doesn't look very pretty, but it'll work. Now, all set to go. Now I got my my little card, my little thank you card. I just used scrap paper from, you know, scrapbooking, whatever, and then my little eBay sticker. And then I take these. They have these pre-made boxes. You can buy them with your coupon for eBay, or just buy them from the eBay supply store. Or I actually bought these on eBay, just at some store there that was selling them. You want to make sure you pre-fold them. This is they're perforated for, you know, you can put a couple albums in here if you wanted to or needed to. And I just pre-fold them before I put the album in there, and then I'll see how I'm gonna do it once I get it in there. Okay, so we're all set. Now, you put your album in, and then these two sides go first, and then this side, or the other side. And I try to pull it over as far as I can without messing anything up or making anything seem like it's too tight. You don't want it to be really, really tight, because then if it falls or something, it could crack. So, okay, that's good right there. So now I'm going to start taping. These are one of those things that I tend to tape. So, going to be a lot of taping. I'm using this purple eBay tape. I don't know that I'll be buying the purple anymore. It's kind of obnoxious looking. Okay, now we want to do the ends. Now I always try to want to get every nook and cranny covered, because I'm always afraid that it's going to go to someone up north and it's going to land in the snow, and then it's going to be done. So I over tape everything. I don't want people saying, oh, it landed, it got all wet. So I try to do the best I can. Whew. Little tape malfunction. Okay, we're almost done. It doesn't look very pretty, but oh well. I'm gonna put one more piece over there. Like I said, I tend to over tape, so I want my customers to be happy. How about you? I bet you do too. Okay, so that's it. Oh, almost forgot. I have a Do Not Bend stamp, and I will stamp this everywhere. Do not bend. So, I mean, I seriously doubt that they're going to be able to bend this, but I'll put it on there just so they know, you know. It's fragile, so that's it. We're done. That wasn't so hard, now was it? Thanks for watching. Give me a like if you like this video, if it helped you, if it gave you some confidence that you can do this too. It's not very hard. It's just you gotta have the right tools and the know-how. And I just gave you the know-how, and you can get the right tools. So